Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a training video on how to activate your um, Sollong computing power, investment. Yes, I mean the CPI. First step is to go to uh, the menu. If you come to the menu, you click on this place. You're having zero money. Want to fund your account. Yes, you'll be seeing deposit. Click on deposit because you want to deposit money to Sollong ecosystem. What do you want to pay in? You're paying in USDT. Which network of this USDT? I always prefer to use the network of Tron. Yes, you say I see. Yes, give you some to make sure you are sure of the network and what you are inputting. I say I see it already. Ladies and gentlemen, the wallet to pay in is already stated here. I just have to copy the link and go to where I have the money. Yes, I have to go to the Bybit. Bybit is the exchange where I went to buy the USDT with Naira. Yes, you see I'm having almost around $1 already. For me to do this, I just quickly have to come to my assets so that I can see my assets. From my assets, I get to go to do withdrawal because it's withdrawal I'm here for. Yeah. Yes, withdrawal. What do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw USDT, and you are saying that's where USDT. I want to withdraw USDT. Yes, it's not asking me which account. Where am I exactly want to pay in the USD? That's the address I want to send the money. I paste it because I've copied it already. That's what I collected from Sollong. It asked me the network. You remember we chose the Tron network to be specific. Yes. You're not asking me how much. I said the maximum amount I have in here, please send. Wow, say $100. Yeah, that's what I have maximum, and that's exactly what I want to send. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to click on withdraw. Yeah, all this needs to prompt me. It's okay. I've confirmed it. Yeah, it's not asking me to get some valid confirmation for it to be done. So let me go to my Gmail to. I know they must have sent me a prompt. Awesome. I want to get some key info that will allow them to uh, release the funds to Sollong. Yeah, all this thing is one learnings we have to go to also to my authenticator. These are the security info authenticator. Copied the OT. It's training for another day for new people. If I click with confirm, ladies and gentlemen, submitted successfully. The money have left Bybit already, and it should be on transit to where. If we go back, if it's okay now, go back, we see that the money you see here before is no more. Yeah, so we have to go and expect the money where on Sollong ecosystem where we moved it. We're expecting the money to come in here. Yeah, so we have to give it that time for it to arrive. Yes, and then while we are waiting for these funds to be here, there is a couple of confirmations that you have to pass through before it will get here. Yes, I want to use the opportunity to let everybody to know that what we have here with Sollong is amazing. We have been looking for a complete ecosystem that help us to understand the new emerging uh, ideas in the world when it comes to blockchain, artificial intelligence, yes, and the deepens the decentralized physical infrastructure network is trending already. Yes, and we have to know not only how to just to know it, but how we can make lots and lots of money with it. So Sollong is giving us amazing infrastructures that is helping in data processing and the storage. Yes, devices that will be in different parts of the world, serving as nodes. Yes, computer computing centers that synchronizes data, process and store data. Is pretty cool. That's what the smartphone is helping us to achieve. Smartphone and other gadgets, ladies and gentlemen, and we give God glory for what is happening. I'm super, super excited about all what is happening. The money is already here, ladies and gentlemen, and we are so happy about it. So the smartphone help us to mine the digital currency. Our native coin is SOLG. Yes, where we have the ability that we can stake or invest in this competing power investment and earn 1% on daily basis. That's exactly what I want to use this $100 to do, ladies and gentlemen. The money is already here. So where next are we going? We are coming to, because what we have is the USDT. What we want to stake is USDT. So click on this. Once we clicked here, ladies and gentlemen, okay, before even coming to this place, let's go back and transfer this money to Deepins. So we'll come back here where the money is. We'll come to where the money is and go to transfer. Yes, because we have two options here. Yeah, either we transfer to AI account or to Deepins account. We want to put it Deepins because we want to use it for the computing power investments. Ladies and gentlemen, it's amazing. Asking me how much, I think it's the maximum. We just want to do $100. Yes, $100. That's what we want to move to the, yeah, I say confirm. Boom, successful. I've done it. So I just have to go back to, the Deepins. I'm coming back to here, Deepins. I come back to Deepins. I come back here again, USDT, because it's USDT I want to stake. Why is it going back here? Yeah, I'm coming back here. I want to stake USDT, who's here. So when I click on it, I will see here maximum, because I'm already having $100. Yes, and it's system is yeah, you now say computing power incentive. That's on SLG. Yeah, I think here, ladies and gentlemen, the next point is to click on this CPI. If I click on this CPI, I think I am there. If I click on CPI, I am there. I click on CPI. You say confirm. Also, I have to click create like a transaction password. This I can change at any other time for security reasons. Let me just put something simple that I can easily change. Let me put this, 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 and this. Whenever you are doing this, ladies and gentlemen, do it small, small, so that it will not think you are robots. I do it again. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, payment password set successfully. Yes. Say confirm. Because it's set already, I have to do it again. I 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 do it again. CPI successful. Yeah. So from Tomorrow morning, this account will start churning in 1% of $100 is how much? $1 on daily basis. The more money you stake, the more 1% that you get. Yes. If it's not making money, it's not making sense. If it's not making dollars, it's not making sense. Let's say, you see, this is the $100 that has gone to do the work, and the CPI will be dropping here. 0.003 has already dropped. This is money. Yes, and once it's up to $50, you can either claim or you withdraw. You can either claim or you compound, but we always advise you, please compound, compound and withdraw, compound and withdraw, so that your asset will keep growing. Yes, amazing friends, you are at the best place at the right time. What we have, ladies and gentlemen, is great, and to God be the glory. Quickly, let me also show you something. If we go back a little, if you come back a little and go to referral, okay, we show you a referral link. Is another place. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, that's just it. I think we've gotten it right already. I don't want this to be so long. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can activate your account on Sollong ecosystem using USDT Tron. Live healthy, exercise daily, and be very, very wealthy.